Palm Springs is a second home for me. However, I always wondered and started asking out loud, where are all the Black people? Also, we're in California, so what does the Latino community look like in Palm Springs? This particular trip means a lot to me because I'm back in one of my favorite places in the world with a mission to answer these questions. It's time to dive into Palm Springs, extending beyond just the downtown strip. Las Cazuelas Terraza has been homegrown in Patrick's family for decades. The original Las Cazuelas, just a few blocks away and still family owned, opened up as the first Mexican restaurant in Palm Springs back in the 50s. Now, the team at Terraza has expanded the vision and kept the family business alive. Oh, and when you visit, get the sea bass filet grilled over mesquite embers. Just trust me on this. Your taste buds are going to freak out. Patrick, it's so good to see you. I'm excited. I'm back in one of my favorite places, Palm Springs. This place has got a hold on me. And I hear that you grew up here, so I feel like it has a hold on you too. What's your experience with the city been like?
So I grew up here, graduated from high school and left for college and then came back 10 years later. It is a magical place.
You have how many generations of your family are here now?
So the whole restaurant business and all the recipes are 4 generations. So my great grandmother started a boarding house. And so all of the flavors and recipes that you have from our stock menu are over 100 years old.
Wow. What role do you think community should play in cuisine?
I mean, obviously we couldn't survive without our community. They are our ambassadors. So our idea is if they can recommend us to everyone that comes into town to see them, then we've won. So we treat them almost like family, especially everyone who's been here for so long.
Olablanca, also known as Blank Page, is a tapas-style pop-up take on modern Mexican cuisine in the desert. Chef Omar and his brother Arnold have an insane culinary experience on their hands. Chef Omar, I was looking at your menu and I'm so curious about this. How do you come up with what you put on such a tapas-like menu?
My culture, my roots, first priority. Wanted to showcase that, mixing different cuisines into it.
Yeah, what are some of the flavors that somebody coming into the pop-up can expect to get from your food?
Influence in Japanese.
Ooh.
Japanese mixed with Mexican.
Currently at Truss and Twine, Olablanca actually moves around to various spots in the city. So be sure to check out their current location before your next visit to Palm Springs. Come in with an open mind and an open palate. From Las Cazuelas Terraza's generational history, all the way to the new age pop-up style with Hoja Blanca, Palm Springs has got you covered.